If you're looking for a flooring option that's timeless, durable, and ultra stylish, Terrazzo flooring might just be what you need. But here's the thing, installing Terrazzo is not as simple as laying tiles or vinyl. Stay with me, because in this video, I'll break down how to install Terrazzo flooring step by step, share tips that most homeowners don't know, and show you how Flooring Dubai can make the process flawless. You won't want to make the mistakes many DIYers do. Why Terrazzo is becoming so popular. Terrazzo has been around for decades, but it's making a huge comeback in modern interiors. What makes it so appealing? It's incredibly durable, resistant to scratches, and its patterns can be customized with countless colors and chips. Plus, it adds a luxurious, high-end feel to any room. But here's the catch, if installed incorrectly, it can crack, stain, or look uneven. And that's why understanding the installation process is key. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly what to do. Step 1. Prepare the subfloor. Everything starts with the subfloor. If it's not perfectly clean, level, and strong, your Terrazzo floor will fail over time. Remove debris, patch cracks, and make sure the surface is dry. And here's a tip most people miss: apply a bonding primer to help the Terrazzo mix stick better. Think your floor is ready? Check again. Skipping this step is a mistake you'll regret. Step 2. Mix the Terrazzo. Terrazzo is a mix of cement or epoxy and chips of marble, quartz, or glass. The ratio and consistency are critical. Too dry, and it cracks. Too wet, and it's sloppy. The right mixture gives you a smooth, seamless finish. The mix might look easy in videos, but one wrong scoop can ruin your entire project, so take your time and measure precisely. Step 3. Pour and spread the Terrazzo. Pour the mixture onto the prepared subfloor and spread it evenly with a trowel. This is where most DIY installations go wrong. Uneven spreading leads to lumps, cracks, or uneven color distribution. Tip: work in small sections, and check frequently with a straight edge to make sure the thickness is consistent. Don't rush this step, smoothness here sets the tone for your entire floor. Step 4. Allow it to cure. Once poured, Terrazzo needs time to cure properly. Depending on whether you use epoxy or cement, curing can take 24 to 48 hours, or even longer for thicker sections. And don't walk on it yet, even a small step can leave dents or marks. The rehook: it's tempting to test it, but patience now saves frustration later. Step 5. Grind and polish. After curing, the Terrazzo must be ground and polished to achieve that glossy, seamless finish you've been dreaming of. This step brings out the vibrant colors and patterns of the chips. It also smooths out any uneven spots. Here's the tip most people miss: professional grinding tools give a high-end finish, while manual methods often look amateurish. This is where Flooring Dubai's expertise really shines. Step 6. Seal the Terrazzo. The final step is sealing the floor. A good sealant protects against stains, moisture, and wear, ensuring your Terrazzo stays stunning for years. Don't skip this. Even the most beautiful Terrazzo can lose its shine without proper sealing. Sealing might feel like an extra step, but it's the secret to long-lasting luxury. How Flooring Dubai can help. At Flooring Dubai, we provide not just Terrazzo materials but also professional installation services. Our experts prepare your subfloor perfectly. Mix, pour, and spread Terrazzo with precision. Grind and polish to a high-end finish. Apply sealant for long-lasting beauty. With Flooring Dubai, your Terrazzo floor will look stunning, feel luxurious, and last for decades. Installing Terrazzo flooring is a process that requires patience, skill, and precision.